Always look at the brand, the people.
Yung tulong-tulong kami.
Masipag, matyaga.
Yung first time parang nabasted ka.
Tapos ang haba-haba ng pila.
Bata pa ako noon. Sabi ko, gusto ko magkakaroon ako ng sagu.
From the start, tinutulungan po kami ng Sagu Food.
Hinahanap pa rin kasi siya.
Currently, I'm operating 15 sagu branches. Soon to open. 2 pa this year.
Right now we have 13 stores and we have 2 more stores hopefully to be opened.
Yan sa naka-open kami, December 8, 2008 yun. Yun yung first branch namin. Pak na pak yun. Grabe yun. As in, mahigit 1 buwan lang ROI na kami.
There are times when, business would really be very challenging. We also provide livelihood to our people.
Medyo mahirap. Wala akong background sa business. Pero very supportive kasi ang office.
It's time to, grab the opportunity of, growing the brand. It's very exciting, exciting times, especially with the new product launches. Lumalaban na ngayon tayo, meron tayong mga milk tea, coffee. So, it's something that, we should be excited about, especially with the rebranding, with the new look.
2007 as authorized dealer. But I opened my first Sagu branch 2010. Na-assign kasi ako sa Bataan, Zambales area. Tapos yung anak ko is only 6 months old. And yung husband ko is working as OFW.
After po noon, nung malampasan ko na yun, nagkaroon na po ako ng 5th, 6th, 7th. Pumasa na rin po kami as premier operator. Ngayon po, meron na po kaming 14 branches.
Nakasama ko na yung anak ko. I resigned to my work as medical representative. So, nandun ako sa hometown ko. Kasama ko yung anak ko, habang yung asawa ko ay OFW. Paano ba binago ni Sagu ang buhay ko? Actually, nung una, syempre, medyo mahirap. May doubt ka sa sarili mo kung kaya ko ba to, kaya ko ba talaga mag-business. Kailangan mo lang maniwala.
Mas maganda yung naging quality of life. When you say quality of life, of course, I'm not saying that, Sagu is very, very easy to manage. But when you compare it with, with other businesses, it's easier.
Napakarami pong naitulong sa buhay ko ni Sagu. Unang-una po, siyempre, etong masaganang buhay po.
And then, unti-unti nakakapagpundar kami. Meron na kami, may delivery truck na kami na sarili namin. May sarili na rin kaming bahay. So, yun, lahat sa tulong ni Sagu.
Pangalawa po, may sarili na po kaming bahay. Dati po kasi nagre-rent lang kami. Parang suntok sa buwan yung pagkakaroon ng sariling bahay. Kasi ngayon po, may sarili na po kaming bahay. At saka, hindi lang po basta bahay, dream house po namin yun. Marami na rin po kaming na-invest na properties, mga sasakyan.
First, you need to be determined. For Sagu kasi there's a process.
Kapwa ko AD, so mahirap talaga sa una. Pero kailangan pag-aralan nyo saan ba may kulang, kung ano ba ang pwedeng ma-improve, kung ano yung pwedeng itulong ng head office sa atin.
Kapag AD na, kailangan religiously sumunod kayo sa policy. Kasi yung policy na yun, pinag-aralan na yan ng head office. Yan ay para sa ating lahat.
I guess it's to determine if you're really serious about the business. So just be patient, and
You have to have the passion to do it right, be fair to everyone, and you have to have this drive to succeed.
Pangalawa, sa lahat ng aspeto ng buhay, dapat matyaga.
stick to the core products. The people are very professional. Stick to your values. Open to changes. Be open to updating the look.
Gusto ko pong i-take advantage itong opportunity na ito na magpasalamat. Walang hanggang pasasalamat po. Ito lang po yung pinapangako ko. Mas pagbubutihin ko pa po at mas aalagaan ko yung image ng Zagu.
Yun, again, thank you very much to my Sago family, from ADD to the management. Looking forward to open more store